ॐ शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. வாகர்த்தாவிவ சம்பிரக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தயே जगदपितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णे नैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्। हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं। क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरधाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മഞ്ഞനെ കുമ്പിടേണ്ടാത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കുന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ Krishna Hare Jaya Krishna Hare. Okay, so இன்னைக்கு Sujata, can you do that the chapter? I forgot what the chapter number was.
33.
Yeah. So Sujata,
I can try
and then Ammu Chechi, you can do it.
Yes. Sure.
Okay. And Kashyap and Janaki, you guys can be students. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Vaivasvatakya Manuputra Nabhagajata Nabhaganamaka Narendra Sutombarishaha Saptarnavad Bhavritamahidayito Pireme Twatsangishu Tvaicha Magnamanasadhaiva Twatpritaye Sakalameva Vithanvatosya Bhaktiyaiva Deva Nirichadabhrutha Prasad. Another?
Bhaktiyaiva Deva Nachirat Abhrita.
Oh, okay. Bhaktiyaiva Deva Nachirad. Oh, ang pirichukarama.
Nachirat Abhrita Prasadam.
Oh, okay. Bhaktiyaiva Deva Nachiradabrtha prasadham yenasya yachanamritepyabhirakshanartam chakram bhavan pavitatara sahasradharam sadvadashi vratamato bhavatarchanartam Varsham dadau madhuvane yamunopakandhe patnya samam sumanasa mahatim vithanvan pujam dvijeshu visrujan pashu shashtikhotim tatrata dino bhavadarchanante
Paranadini.
Oh, okay. Tatrata paranadhine bhavadarchanante durvasasasya munina bhavanam prabhedhe bhoktum vritasya nrupena parartishilo mandam jaghama yamunam niyaman vidasyan rajnyata parana मुहूर्त समाप्ति खेदात वारैव पारणमकारी भवत्परेण प्राप्तो मुनिस्तदत दिव्यदृशा विजानन् क्षिप्यन् क्रुधोद्धृत जठो वितथान् कृत्यां च ताम् असिधरां भुवनं दहन्तीम् अग्रे विवीक्ष्य नृपतिर्न पदाश्च कम्पे त्वद्भक्तबाधम् अभिवीक्ष्य सुदर्शनं ते कृत्यानलं शलभयन् मुनिवन्वधावीत् धावन् अशेष भुवनेषु बियास पश्यन् विश्वत्र चक्रमपि ते गतवान् विरिञ्चम् कः कालचक्रम् अतिलङ्घयतीत्यपास्तः
कालचक्रमतिलङ्घयतीत्यपास्तः लङ्घय.
Okay. कः कालचक्रम् अतिलङ्घयतीत्यपास्तः शर्वं ययौश्च भवन्तं वन्दथैव
सर्वं ययौ स च भवन्तम् अवन्दथैव.
Okay. Sharvam yayau sacha bhavantam avandathaiva. I missed last class. Now the note panniden, but sorry pannike. Okay. Bhuvo bhavan nilayo भूयो भवन्निलयमेत्य मुनिं नमन्तं प्रोचे भवान् अहमृषे ननु भक्तदासः ज्ञानं तपश्च विनयान् मितमेव मान्यं याह्यम्बरीश पदमेव भजति भूमन्
Bhajeti Bhuman.
भजेति भूमन् ओके तावत् समेत्य मुनिना स गृहीत पादो राजा प्रसृत्य भवतस्त्रमसावनौषीत्
Bhavat astram asavanaushit. So Raja pasritya bhavat astram asavanaushit.
ओके राजा प्रसृत्य भवत् अस्त्रमवास
Astram asavanaushit.
ओके अस्त्रम् असावनौषीत् चक्रे गते मुनिरदात् अखिलाशिषोऽस्मे त्वद्भक्तिमागसि कृतेऽपि कृपां च शंसन् राजा प्रतीक्ष्य मुनिनेकसमामनाश्वान् सम्भोज्य साधुतमृषिं विसृजन् प्रसन्नं भुक्त्वा स्वयं त्वयि ततोऽपि दृढं रथोऽभूत् सायुज्यमाप च समां पवनेशपायाः
Sri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Vaivaswadakhyamanuputtra Nabhagajadana Bhaganamaka Narendra Sudambarishaha Saptarnavavritamahidayitopi Reme Tvatsangishu Tvayi Jamagnamana Sadaiva Tvatpridaye Sakalameva Vidanvatosya Bhaktiyaiva deva najiradha pritha prasadam yenasya yajanam hridipya bhirakshanatam chakram bhavan pravidatara sahasratharam sadvadashi vradamatho bhavadarchanartam varsham dadhau madhuvane yamunopakante पत्न्या समं सुमनसा महतीं विदन्वन् पूजां द्विजेषु विसृजन् पशुषष्टिकोटिं तत्राथ पारणदिने भवदर्चनान्ते दुर्वाससस्य मुनिना भवनं प्रपेदे भोक्तुं वृदश्च सनृपेण पराक्तिशीलो मन्दं जगामयमुनां नियमान् विधास्यन् राज्ञाथ पारणमुहूर्तसमाप्तिखेदाद् वारैव पारणमकारि भवत्परेण प्राप्तो मुनिस्तथ दिव्यदृशा विजानन् क्षिप्यन् क्रुधोद्धृतजडो विदधान कृत्यां च तामसिधरां भुवनं दहन्तीम् अग्रेऽभिवीक्ष्य निबधिर्न पदाच्च कम्पे त्वद्भक्तपादमभिवीक्ष्य सुदर्शनं ते कृत्यानलं शलभयन् मुनिमन्वधावीत् धावन्न शेषभुवनेषु बियास पश्यन् विश्वत्र चक्रमपि ते गतवान् विरिञ्जम् कालचक्रमदिलङ्घयदित्यपास्तः सर्वं ययौ स च भवन्तमवन्दतैव भूयो भवन्निलयमेत्य मुनिं नमन्दं प्रोचे भवान् अहमृषे ननु भक्तदासः ज्ञानं तपश्च विनयान्विदमेव मान्यं याह्यम्बरीशपदमेव भजेति भूमन् तावत् समेत्य मुनिना स गृहीतपादो राजापसृत्य भवदस्त्रमसावनौषीद चक्रे गदे मुनिरदादगिलाशिषोऽस्मै त्वद्भक्तिमागसि कृते विकृपां च शंसन् राजा प्रदीक्ष्य मुनिमेकसमामनश्वान् सम्भोज्य साधु तं ऋषिं विसृजन् प्रसन्नम् भुक्त्वा स्वयं त्वयि ततो विदृढं तदोभूत् सायुज्यमापजसमां पवने शपायाः.
Very good. Muchi, just the first line. Muni meka sama manashwan. Sama.
Which one is?
The first line, 10th stanza, last stanza, first line.
Okay, okay.
So Raja, just say the first line again, maybe.
Okay. Raja pradiksha muni meka sama manashwan.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. I think the first time you didn't say sama, that's all. So good job.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll go to 39. I think 39 we stopped at 7, right? 7, right? Okay. So let me chant 1 to 7 and then we'll start the class. Okay. Bhavantamayamudvahan yadukulodvaho nissaran dadarsha gaganochala jalabaram kalindatmajam aho salila sanjaya sapunaraindra jalodito jalauga iva takshanat prapadame yatamayayo prasupta pashupalikam nibrutamārudhadbhalikam अपावृतकवाटिकां पशुपवाटिकामाविशन् भवन्तमयमर्पयन् प्रसवतल्पके तत्पदात् वहन् कपटकन्यकां स्वपुरमागतो वेगतः ततस्त्वदनुजारवक्षपितनिद्रवेगद्रवद्बटोत्करनिवेदितप्रसववार्तयैवार्तिमान् विमुक्तचिकुरोत्करस्त्वरितमापतन् भोजराट् अतुष्ट इव दृष्टवान् भगिनिकाकरे कन्यकाम् ध्रुवं कपटशालिनो मधुहरस्य माया भवेत् असाविति किशोरिकां भगिनिकाकरालिङ्गितां द्विपो नलिनिकान्तरादिवमृणालिकामाक्षिपन् अयं त्वदनुजामजाम् उपलपट्टके पिष्टवान् ततो भवदुपासको झटिति मृत्युपाशादिव प्रमुच्यतरसैव सा समधिरूढरूपान्तरा अधस्तलमजग्मुषी विकसदष्टबाहुः स्फुरन् महायुधमहो गता किल विहाय साधिद्युते नृशंसतरकंस ते किमु मया विनिष्पिष्टया बभूव भवदन्तक क्वचन चिन्त्यतां ते हितम् इति त्वदनुजा विभो खलमुदीर्यतं जग्मुषी मरुद्गणपणाहिता भुवि च मन्दिरान्येयुषी प्रगे पुनरगात्मजा वचनमीरिता भूभुजा प्रलम्बबकपूतना प्रमुखदानवामानिनः भवन्निधनकाम्यया जगति बभ्रमुर्निर्भयाः कुमारकविमारकाः किमिव दुष्करं निष्कृपैः. So that's where we ended last time, 7. So we'll start with 8. So Tatah Pashupamandire Toyi Mukundananda Priya Prasuti Shayane Shaye Rudati Kinchidanchat Pade Vibudhyavanita Janaihi Tanaya Sambhave Ghoshite Muda Kimuvadhamyaho Sakalama Kulam Gokulam. So in the stanza 7, we saw how Kamsa kind of ordered his demons like Pralamba, Baka and Putana to go and kill all the newborn children who were born the previous day. So that is happening there. However, now in Gokulam, so Twai Mukunda, O Lord, Pashupa Mandire. So Pashu is the cow. Pashupa Mandire means in a cowherd's house, so Nanda's house, right? In Nanda Priya Prasuti Shayane, so in the labor bed of Yashoda, they heard a baby crying. So crying and Kinchit Anchat Pade. Padam means foot, right? So kind of kicking its foot. So a newborn baby is crying and kicking its foot. So when that happens, the Vanita Janaihi, all the women folk who were sleeping, if you remember the previous night, they were sleeping when the exchange happened. They all woke up and Goshite Thanaya Sambhave. Thanaya is the son who was born, the boy who was born. And then they all went and announced or proclaimed that Nanda Gopa has now got a son. And here, then Patalipat says, Sakalam Gokulam Akulam. The whole of Gokula was like, filled with joy because of the birth of this boy here. So Tataf Pashupan Tataha, you can put a F there in the Visarga. So Tataf Pashupa Mandire Twayi Mukunda Nanda Priya, and then put a plus. Nanda Priya plus Prasuti Shayane Shaye Rudati Kinchit Anchat Pade. So Kinchit Anchat Pade. I forgot number two lines up pannoma, 4 lines up pannoma last time. 4 lines, okay. Okay, Prasuti Shayane Shaye Rudati Kinchit Anchat Pade. Line 3. Vibudhya Vanita Janaihi. And the is irukum, and the is you remove it and put a visarga. So Vibudhya Vanita Janaihi, comma Thanaya Sambhave Goshite, comma Muda Kimu Vadamyaho, comma Sakalam Akulam Gokulam. Tataf Pashupamandire Twai Mukunda Nanda Priya Prasuti Shayane Shaye Rudati Kinchidanchat Pade Bibudhya Vanita Janaihi Thanaya Sambhave Goshite Muda Kimu Vadhamyaho Sakalama Kulam Gokulam. Kashyap children?
Yeah. Tataf Pashupamandire Twai Mukundananda Priya Prasuti Shayane Shaye Rudati Kinchidanchat Pade Vibudhya Vanita Janaihi Tanaya Sambhave Goshite Muda Kimu Vadamyaho Sakalama Kulam Gokulam.
And the Muda Kimu Vadamyaho, and then just pause a bit there, okay? Comma after Vadamyaho.
Tataf Pashupamandire Twai Mukundananda Priya Prasuti Shayane Shaye Rudati Kinchidanchat Pade Vibudhya Vanita Janaihi Tanaya Sambhave Goshite Muda Kimu Vadamyaho Sakalama Kulam Gokulam.
ततः पशुपमन्दिरे त्वयि मुकुन्दनन्दप्रिया प्रसूति शयने शयेरुवति किञ्चिदञ्चत्पदे विभुत्य वनिता जनैः तनयसम्भवे घोषिते मुदा किमु वदाम्यहो सकलमाकुलं गोकुलम् ततः पशुपमन्दिरे Tvayi Mukunda Nanda Priya Prasudi Shayane Shaye Ruvati Kinchidanchatpade Vibhutya Vanita Janaihi Tanaya Sambhave Goshite Muda Kimu Vadamyaho Sakalama Kulam Gokulam.
9. Aho kalu yashodaya navakalaya chetoharam bhavantamalamantikē pratamamapi bhantya drusha punasthanabaram nijam sapadi payayentya mudha manoharatanusprusha jagati punyavanto jitaha. So in this Bhaktaripat says, it's a wonder that in the Punyavanti Jagati, there are so many people in this world who are so fortunate and who have done a lot of good deeds and who are blessed. But the Yashodaya, so all of that was surpassed by Yashoda, right? So there are so many people who have done all these meritorious deeds, but Yashoda has surpassed everybody in good fortune that Pratamam, at first, Api Bhantya Drisha Bhavantam Alamantike. So with her eyes, she was able to see the God itself lying next to her as a baby, right? So she has a baby lying next to her and she's able to, at first she's able to see the baby lying next to her. That's first. And then number 2, Punaha, later on, payayantyam sthanabaram nijam. So second, she was able to feed that baby, that newborn baby, her own milk, right? So they're saying there are so many people who are so fortunate, but Yashoda is just so much more fortunate that she was blessed to have these benefits, right? That's what the Bhattacharya is comparing here, of how blessed and fortunate Yashoda is. Aho khalu Yashodaya nava kalaya chetoharam, comma, bhavantam alam antike. So bhavantam alam antike, you can say it together, or if you want to break it, bhavantam alam antike pratamam api bhantyadrisha. Pratamam api bhantyadrisha. Then punaha, you can put a is there. Punas sthanabaram nijam sapadi payayantya muda, comma, manohara tanu sprisha jagati punyavanto jitaha. Aho kalu yashodaya navakalaya chetoharam bhavantamalamantikē pratamamapi bhantyadrisha punasthanabaram nijam sapadi payayantya muda manoharatanusprusha jagati punyavanto jitaha.
Rajesh, I have one question on the Puna Kapram and the Visarga and the F port nama.
S is. Okay. Is punas.
Okay.
Punas.
Okay. Thank you.
Aho kalu yashodaya navakalaya chetoharam bhavantamalαμantike pratamam api bantyadrisha punastanabaram nijam sapadi payayantya muda.
Yantya muda.
Payayantya muda manoharatanu saprisha manoharatanu sprisha jagati punyavanto jitaha. Aho kalu yashodaya navakalaya chetoharam bhavantamalamantikē pratamam api bantyadrisha punastanabaram nijam sapadi payayantya muda.
Punastanabaram nijam sapadi payayantya muda, not yantya, yantya.
Punastanabaram nijam sapadi payayantya muda manoharatanu sprisha jagati punyavanto jitaha.
Aho kalu yashodaya navakalaya chetoharam bhavantamalamantikē pratamam api bhantyadrisha punastanaparam nijam sapadi payayantya muda manoharadanusprusha jagati punyavanto jitaha. Aho kalu yashodaya navakalaya chetoharam bhavantamalam antike pradamam abhibantyadrisha punastanaparam nijam sapadi payayantya muda manoharatanushprusha jagati punyavanto jitaha.
Stanza 10. Bhavat kushala-kamyaya sakhalu nanda gopastada pramoda barasankulo dvijakulaya kinna dadat tataiva pashupalakha kimuna mangalam tenire jagat pritaya mangala tvamiha pahi mama mayat. So then here last stanza of this, just saying that Nanda Gopa, right, who's now the father, Pramada Bhara Santu, is so overwhelmed with joy that Kimuna Adadat. So what all did he not give? So he's not telling what he gave. He says he was so overwhelmed with joy that for your benefit, for the Lord's benefit, because the new son was born, he gave away a lot of gifts and everything. And Bhattacharya says, what all did he not give to all the Brahmins and the holy men? Also, the Pashupalakaha, all the other cowherds who are in the land, they also performed Kimuna Mangalam Tenire. So what all auspicious things did they not do? So they did a lot of auspicious things as well. So Jagat Tritaya Mangala. So, O Lord, you are the beneficiary of the whole world who takes care of everything. Pahi mama maya, take care of all of my diseases and ailments. Bhattaripada ends this chapter. So, Bhavat Kushala Kamyaya Sa Khalu Nanda Gopas Tada, comma, Pramoda Bhara Sankulo Dvija Kulaya Kinna Dadat. Kin, double N, Kinna Dadat. Tathaiva Pashupalakahan, so you can put a ik there, so small ik to remove the visarga there. So Tathaiva Pashupalakah Kimuna Mangalam Tenire, comma, Jagat Tritaya Mangala, and put a comma there. Twamiha Pahi Mama Mayat. Bhavat Kushala-kamyaya Sakhalu Nanda Gopastadha Pramoda Bhara Sankulo Dvijakulaya Kinna Dadat Tathaiva Pashupalakah Kimuna Mangalam Tenire Jagat Tritaya Mangala Tumiha Pahi Mama Mayat.
Bhavat Kushala-kamyaya Sakalunanda Gopastada Pramodabara Sankulo Dvijakulaya Kinna Dadat Tataiva Pashupalaka Kimuna Mangalam Tenire Jagatridaya Mangala Twamiha Pahi Mama Mayat. Bhavat Kushala-kamyaya Sakalunanda Gopastada Pramodabara Sankulo Dvijakulaya Kinna Dadat Tataiva Pashupalaka Kimuna Mangalam Tenire Jagatritaya Mangala Twamiha Pahi Mama Mayat.
Bhavat Kushala-kamyaya Sakalunanda Gopastada Pramoda Bharak Sankulo Dvijakulaya Kim Nadadat Tataiva Pashupalaka Kimuna Mangalam Tenire Jagatridaya Mangala
Tritaya.
Jagatridaya Mangala Tvamiham Pahi Mama Mayat. Bhavat Kushala-kamyaya Sakalunanda Gopastada Pramoda Bharashankulo Tvijakulaya Kimna Dadat Tataiva Pashupalaka Kimuna Mangalam Tenire Jagatridaya Mangala Tvamiha Pahi Mama Mayat.
Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. That concludes 39. So we're going to 40. So Putana Moksha Varnam. So in the Putana, I'm sure a lot of you have heard about Putana, right? So Putana, Put means to have virtues. Na means no. So Putana is someone who does not have any virtues. So in the last stanza, Kamsa has sent all his people out, right? Putana and everybody to go kill all the newborns. So now in this chapter, Putana is going to come to Gokulam and we'll see what happens. So stanza 1. Tadanu nandama manda shubhaspadham nripapurim karadhana krite gatam samavalokya jagada bhavat pita vidita kamsa sahaya janodhyamaha. So Tadanu Nandam. So then Nanda Gopa, when after all this, when Krishna is born and he's given all these gifts and everything. So then Nanda Gopa then goes to Nripapurim. He goes to the king, where the city of the king, where he goes to where Kamsa is, right? The city he goes, Karadana Krite, to pay his taxes, because Nanda Gopa is the head of that village. So he goes to that place to pay all his taxes. So there he meets Bhavat Pita, he meets your father, he meets Vasudeva, because Vasudeva and Nandagopa are, like brother-in-laws, right? So he meets Vasudeva there. Vidita Kamsa, that Vasudeva, he knows about Kamsa. He knows about Kamsa's and all his people's plan. So he then communicates to Nandagopa that Mari Kamsa and others are having this plan where they're going around killing kids. So he communicates that in the first stanza. So Tadanu Nandam Amanda Shubhaspadam. You can say Nandam Amandan Cholikla, or you can say Nandam Amanda Shubhash Padam, comma, Nripapurim Kara Dana Krite Gatam. Nripapurim Kara Dana Krite Gatam. Samavalokya Jagada Bhavatpita, comma, Bidita Kamsa Sahaya Janodhyamaha. Tadanu Nandama Manda Shubhaspadham Nripapurim Karadhana Krite Gatam Samavalokya Jagada Bhavatpita Vidita Kamsa Sahaya Janodhyamaha.
Tadanunanda mamandashu baspadam nirvapurim karadana krite gatam samavalokya jagada bhavat pita viditakam sasahaya janodhyamaha. Tadanunanda mamandashu baspadam nripapurim karadana krite gatam samavalokya jagada bhavat pita viditakam sasahaya janodhyamaha.
तदनुनन्दममन्तशुभास्पदं नृपपुरीं करदानकृते गतं समवलोक्य जगादभवत्पिता विदितकं ससहाय जनोद्यमः तदनुनन्दममन्तशुभास्पदं नृपपुरीं करदानकृते गतं समवलोक्य जगादभवत्पिता विदितकं ससहाय जनोद्यमः.
This is a pretty easy chapter, so you should be able to go fast in this. Stanza 2. Aisake tava bhalaka janma mam sukayate sya nijatmaja janmavate iti bhavat pitrutam vrajanayake samadiropya shashamsatamadarat. So here, so then Vasudeva says, Aisake, he says to Nandagopa, he says, Aisake, oh my friend, Tava Balaka Janma, I heard that you have given birth to a boy, right? And Mam Sukayate, I'm extremely happy and extremely pleased that you have a boy. Nija Atmaja Janmavate, I'm so happy as if I have had a boy myself. Vasudeva is telling Nandagopa, right? It gives me so much pleasure as if I have had a boy. So then here Bhattaripat says, Iti Samadhi Rope, he now cleverly, essentially, Bhavat Pitrutam Vrajanayake. Vrajanayake is referring to who is the chief of all the cowherds, so Nandagopa. So to the Nandagopa, he's saying Vasudeva is kind of attributing or telling your fatherhood. So Lord, he's kind of telling to this Nandagopa that, you are really the father. Apni is attributing, although Vasudeva knows the truth here, he is attributing that, that Nandagopa is the father of the Lord here. So, Ai Sakhe Tava Bhalaka Janma Mam, and then put a plus there. Sukayatetya Nija Atmaja Janmavat. So Nija, but you can't say Nija Atmaja, you say it together. So Nijatmaja Janmavat. Okay. Iti Bhavat Pitrutham Vrajanayake, comma, Samadhi Ropya Shashamsa Tam Adarat. Aisake tava bhalaka janma mam sukayatedya nijatmaja janmavate iti bhavat pitrutam vrajanayake samadhiropya shashamsatamadarat.
Aisake tava balaka janma mam sukayatedya nijatmaja janmavate iti bhavat pitrutam vrajanayake samadhiropya shashamsatamadarat. Aisake tava balaka janma mam sukayatedya nijatmaja janmavat इति भवत् पितृतां व्रजनायके समधिरोप्य शशंसतमादरात्
ऐषके तव बालक जन्म मां सुखयतेत्यनिजात्मज जन्मवत् इति भवेत् पितृतां व्रजन्
So iti bhavat.
इति भवत् पितृतां व्रजनायके समधिरोप्यशंसतमादरात् ऐषके तव बालकजन्म मां सुखयतीत्यनिजात्मज जन्मवत्. I don't know, the tune is not coming, sorry.
Just like say it very slowly. Aisake tava bhalaka janma mam. Just say it very slowly like that, it will get it.
Okay. ऐषके तव बालकजन्म मां सुखयतीत्यनिजात्मज जन्मवत् इति भवेत् पितृतां व्रज
Iti bhavat.
इति भवत् पितृतां व्रजनायके समधिरोप्यशंसतमादरात्.
Very good. Yeah. Kashyap, nee nidit slow chole. Like rushing in full speed like. Stanza 3. Iha cha santya nimitta shatani te katakasim tato lagu ghamyatam iti cha tad vachasa vrajanayako bhavadapaya biyadrutamayayo. So now Vasudeva says, here Iha Santi in these places anamitta shatani, like hundreds of bad omens that are happening. So bad indicators or bad signs that are actually happening here. And in your place also, it is not going to be safe. So Vasudeva is kind of preempting, he's not telling that it Putana and Varaporana, but he's telling Nandagopa there are a lot of bad omens happening here. And I think a lot of bad things are going to be happening in your house also. Tatu lagu ghamyatam. So it's time that you better go home fast, right? So iti that vachasa. So hearing Vasudeva's words, Brajanayaka, who is here Nandagopa, the chief of all the cowherds, Drutamaya, he quickly returned, Bhavat apayabhya, because he was worried about anything bad happening to Krishna here. So he comes back fast. So in them, they have not named Krishna, by the way. Now I'm saying Krishna, but the Krishna naming ceremony is happening much later, right? So this is before he's even being named Krishna. So 3. So Iha cha santya nimitta, kuttita and bikta. So nimitta shatani te, comma, khataka simni tato lagu ghamyatam. Iti cha tadvachasa vrajanayako, comma, bhavada paya biya drutam ayayo. Iha cha santya nimitta shatani te katakasim tato lagu ghamyatam. Iti cha tadvachasa vrajanayako bhavadapaya biya drutamayayo.
इह च सन्त्यनमित्तशतानि ते कथकसीम्नि ततो लघुगम्यताम् इति च तद्वचसा व्रजनायको भवदपाय बियादृतमाययो.
Kataka, not that. Okay, it's K kataka, TA. Okay.
इह च सन्त्यनमित्तशतानि ते कटकसीम्नि ततो लघुगम्यताम् इति च तद्वचसा व्रजनायको भवदपाय बियादृतमाययो.
इह च सन्त्यनिमित्तसदानि ते खटकसीम्नि ततो लघुगम्यताम् इति च तद्वचसा व्रजनायको भवदपाय बियादृतमाययो. इह च सन्त्यनिमित्तसदानि ते खटकसीम्नि ततो लघुगम्यताम् इति च तद्वचसा व्रजनायको भवदपाय बियादृतमाययो.
and so forth. Avasare kalu tatra cha kachana brajapade madura kritirangana tharala shat padalalita kuntala kapata potakate nikatam gata. So avasare kalu tatra. So when Nandagopa is coming back, at that point there, which means now in Gokulam, Kachana Brajapate, some female. Now in Gokulam, there is some female who comes. Madhurakriti Angana. So this female is like dressed well and is very good looking and beautiful female comes. Tharala Shatpada, Lalita Kuntala. So Kuntalam. So her hair is so fragrant and so nice that there are bees are hovering around it, right? So this female now comes there and te nikatam gata. So so she goes near you. Kapata potaka. So kapata potaka is saying, in the form of a child. So she says she comes now to you, who is now in the kind of a disguise, not necessarily disguise, but taking the form of a child. So you have taken the form of a child and she is now approaching you. This is a beautiful, good-looking woman who actually comes to Gokulam as Nandagopa is coming back from coming after meeting Vasudeva. So avasare khalu tatra cha kachana, comma, brajapade madura kritir angana. So madura kriti rangana. Tarala shat pada lalita kuntala, comma, kapata potaka te nikatam gata. Avasare kalu tatra cha kachana brajapade madura kritirangana tharala shat pada lalita kuntala kapata potakate nikatam gata.
Avasare kalu tatra cha kachana brajapade madura kritirangana tarala shatpada lalita kuntala
Kuntala
kuntala kapata potakate nikatam gata. Nikatam gata. Avasare kalu tatra cha kachana brajapade madura kritirangana tarala shatpada lalita kuntala kapata potakate nikatam gata.
You're getting missed. Tharala shat. Okay. Tarala shat pada lalita tha kunthala tha kapatha ta. Okay. The English, be careful with that. Okay.
Avasare kalu tatra cha kachana Prajapate madhura kritirangana Tarala shatpada lalita kuntala Kapata potakate nikatam gata Avasare kalu tatra cha kachana Vrajapate madhura kritirangana Tarala shatpada lalita kuntala Kapata potakate nikatam gata.
Stanza 5. Sapadi sahrida bhalaka chetana nishicharan vayaja kila putana brajavadushvihakeyamiti kshanam bimrushati shubhavantamupadate. So that Putana, when she comes there, who is Nishichara, and she's born in the clan of all the demons, right? So she's an evil person. Krita Balaka Chetana, who has actually killed several children. So she's known for killing children. So now Bhavantam Upadate. So she comes and then she lifts the child here, lifts Krishna in her arms. Braja Vadusha Iha, all the Vraja people are referring to the people who live in Gokulam. So those people, the women who are all there, Kshanam Vimurshati Ishu, for a moment they were all wondering, Ka Iyamiti, who is this? Who is this person who has come here and suddenly has come and lifted this child here? So it's fine. So Sapadi Sa Krita Bhalaka Chetana, comma, Nishicharan Vayaja. Nishichara Anvayaja. So Nishicharan Vayaja Kila Putana Braja Vadushviha Keyam Iti Kshanam, comma Vimrusha Tishu Bhavantam Upadate. Sapadisa Hrita Bhalaka Chetanam Nishicharan Vayaja Kila Putana Brajavadushviha Keyamiti Kshanam Vimrushatishu Bhavantam Upadade.
Sapadi Sakrita Balaka Chetana Nishicharan Vayaja Kila Putana Vrajavadushviha Keyamiti Kshanam Vimnishati Shubhavantamupadade. Sapadi Sakrita Balaka Chetana Nishicharan Vayaja Kila Putana Vrajavadushviha Keyamiti Kshanam Vimnishati Shubhavantamupadade.
Sapatisha Hrita Balake Chetana.
Balaka Chetana.
Oh, sorry. Sapatisha Hrita Balaka Chetana Nishicharan Vayaja Bhutana Brajava Vadushvika Keyami
Badushviha. Braja Badushviha.
Brajavadushvika Keyamiti Kshanam Vimrushadishu
Bimrusha
Vimrushadishu Bhavantam Upadate Sapatisha Hrita Balake Chetana
Janaki.
Nishicharan Vayaja Kila Putana Vrajavatushvika Keyamiti Kshanam Vimrush. Sorry?
Go ahead. Bimrusha.
My internet was not working in between. So did you say something?
No, that's okay. You finish this, I'll tell you what it was.
Okay. Sapatisha Hrita Palaka Chetana Nishicharan Vayaja Kila Bhutana Vrajavatushvika Keyamiti Kshanam Vimrushati Shubhavantamupatade.
Correct, that's right. So the first line ending is Putana. Okay, I think I heard some other letter, Bhutana or something. Just make sure of that.
Okay.
Okay.
Possible. Okay.
Stanza 6. Lalita Bhava Vilasa Hridatma Bhiryuvati Bif Pratirodhuma Parita Stanamasau Bhavananta Nishedushi Pradadushi Bhavate Kapatatmane. So Lalita Bhava Vilasam. So she's not only beautiful, right? So her charming appearances, but also the way she was walking and the movements are also very graceful. So looking at that, Krita Atmabihi Yuvatibihi. So all the young women, all the young gopikas who were there were just captivated. They were just all so captured with her good looks and her movements that they were not able to go and stop her. So they didn't know who it was. For a moment, they wondered who is this person. But because she was so graceful and everything, they just didn't feel like going and stopping her. So Asau, this Putana then, Bhavan Anta Nishedushi, now got inside the house, was sitting inside the house, and Kapatatmane. So this child who is actually an illusion, right? The god who is in form of this, who's a smart child, a clever child. So Pradadushi Sthanam Bhavate. So she started giving milk to that child, who is the Lord who's in the disguise there. So Lalita Bhava Bilasa Hritatmabir. And then the two lines are continuous, so there's no stopping there. So Lalita Bhava Bilasa Hritatmabhir Yuvati Bif. And the Bisarga, you can put a F there. So Yuvati Bif Pratirod Dhum Aparita. So Lalita Bhava Bilasa Hritatmabhir Yuvatibih Pratirodhum Aparita Stanamasau Bhavananta निषेदुषी कॉमा प्रददुषी भवते कपटात्मने ललितभावविलासहृदात्मभिर्युवतिभिः प्रतिरोद्धुमपारिता स्तनमसौ भवनान्तनिषेदुषी प्रददुषी भवते कपटात्मने
ललितभावविलासकृतात्मभिर्युवतिभिः अपारिता दुमपारिता स्तनमसौ भवनान्तनिषेदुषी प्रददुषी भवते कपटात्मने ललितभावविलासकृतात्मभिर्युवतिभिः प्रतिरोद्धुमपारिता स्तनमसौ भवनान्तनिषेदुषी प्रददुषी भवते कपटात्मने
ललितभावविलासहृदात्मभिर्युवतिभिर्प्रतिरोद्धुमपारिता स्तनमसौ भवनान्तनिषेदुषी प्रददुषी भवते कपटात्मने ललितभावविलासहृदात्मभिर्युवतिभिर्प्रतिरोद्धुमपारिता स्तनमसौ भवनान्तनिषेदुषी प्रददुषी भवते कपटात्मने.
So this Putana, she was, what at least one of the story goes, is she was the daughter of Bali. Her name was Ratnamala. So in the Vamana Avataram, when the Lord came to meet Mahabali, right, and he was a young boy, right, good-looking young boy. So then Ratnamala at that time really felt like she wanted to have this boy as her child, right? She really wished this boy was her child. But then later on, when the Mahabali ella nadakkurudhu, then she gets angry that this boy now punished her father. So then she really wanted to hurt this boy. So another in the when she's born as Putana, she's now trying to kill the Lord. At the same time, you know, by trying to give milk to this boy, she's also kind of assuming the form of a little bit of a motherhood, right? So that's why she also eventually got moksham later on when she's killed in this. So that was the one story I read. I don't know how the real true that is, but okay. So finished 5, 6. Okay. So 7. Samadiruhya tadangamasankitastvamata bhalakalopanarositaha mahadivamraphalam kuchamandalam pratichuchushita dhurvishadhushitam. So here, so now when Putana now lifts Krishna, the child, and starts giving milk to the child. So Tvam Roshitaha Balaka Ropana. So because Putana has killed so many children, so the Lord is definitely very angered, right, with this, and he wants to punish her. So Ashankitaha, with no hesitation, right? Shankitaha is hesitation. Ashankita is absolutely no hesitation. So without any hesitation, the child Tata Angam, so the child climbs, or not climbs because it's a really small child, that he doesn't resist, right? So the Putana lifts the child, he goes without any hesitation. Pratichu Chushita Kuchamandalam, so he starts drinking milk, right? Or he starts drinking milk. And then she's covered with poison. So the way Putana kills all the children is she's covered with poison. So when she gives milk to all the children get poisoned and then they die. But in this case, the Lord doesn't stop and he decides to have the milk and he doesn't resist. So Samadhi Ruhya Thadangam, this line is together. First two lines are together. So Samadhi Ruhya Thadangam Ashankitas Tvamata Bhalaka Lopana Roshitaha. Samadhi Ruhya Tadangam Ashankitas Tvamata Balaka Lopana Roshitaha Mahadi Vamra Phalam Kucha Mandalam, Prati Chuchushita. So kutti chu and then long chu follows. Chuchushita. Durvisha dushita. Samadiruhyatadhangamashankitastvamatha bhalakalopanarositah mahadivamraphalam kuchamandalam pratichuchushita dhurvishadushitam.
समधिरुह्यतदङ्कमशङ्कितस्त्वमत बालकलोपनशोषितः महदिवाम्रफलं कुचमण्डलं प्रतिचुचूषितदुर्विषदूषितम् समधिरुह्यतदङ्कमशङ्कितस्त्वमत बालकलोपनरोषितः महदिवाम्रफलं कुचमण्डलं प्रतिचुचूषितदुर्विषदूषितम्.
Rajesh, one question on the Tadangam how do you say, Ashankita?
Tadangam Ashankitas.
Oh, Tadangam Ashankitam.
Alla Ashankitas.
Ashankita. Alpakatla or Visarga irke.
Oh, அப்படியா சில விசர்கா இல்லாத இடத்துல வந்து they put a is there. So you can put a is there. If you have a visarga there, put a is there, okay? Because சில books it is continuous and they have is there. So tadangam ashankitas tvamata.
समधिरुह्यतदङ्गमशङ्कितस्त्वमदपालकलोपनरोषितः महदिवाम्रबलं कुचमण्डलं प्रतिचुषूषितदुर्विषदूषितम् समधिरुह्यतदङ्गमङ्कितस्
Say that again, Janaki. Start that again.
समधिरुह्यतदङ्गमशङ्कितस्त्वमदबालकलोपनरोषितः महदिवाम्रबलं कुचमण्डलं प्रतिचुचूषितदुर्विषदूषितम्.
So in the Sanskrit, I think I said the other day, there's nothing called as phalam. There's no fa, okay? But the letter Hindi, what they say as fa, which is put here, it's actually, when you say pa, pa is just from your two lips are touching each other, phalam. But phalam means one of the lips has to go inside and you have to stress it. Phalam, right? So just more air comes out. Phalam. So that's what is referring here. Is referring to the mango-like fruit here. So phalam. So it is referring to a fruit, but it's not phalam. Okay, phalam, pha is Sanskrit, it is a Hindi letter. Pha is a Hindi word letter. Okay, stanza 8. Asubireva samham dayate tvahi stanamasau stanitopamaniswana nirapadad bayadhayi nijam vapuhu pratigatha pravisalya bujavubhau. So now Lord gets in and he starts drinking milk. So twice thanam dayati. So when the Lord was drinking the milk, so he knows it's poisonous. So he doesn't drink, the poison doesn't come out. However, asubhihi eva samam, her entire prana, her life, the prana, which is a life energy, which is going inside everybody's body, that entire life energy is sucked out of Putana at this time. So in addition to that, so when that happens, this Putana, right, with a loud and thunderous noise, she falls down on the floor because her entire life energy is gone now. And when she falls down on the floor, then Bhayadayi Nijam Vapuhu, her original form, which is a very ferocious body that she has, because she's like a demon, so she's got a very ferocious body. So when she falls on the floor, she reverts back to her original form, right? And then Pravisarya Buja Ubau. So she falls down with her arms stretched on the floor. So she's now fallen with her original form, which is a big giant, and she falls on the floor. Asubireva samam dhayati tvai, stanam asau stanitopama niswana. So stanitopama niswana. Nirapadat bhayadhayi nijam vapuhu, comma, pratigata pravisarya bhujavubau. Asubireva samham dayate tvahi stanamasau stanitopamaniswana nirapadat bhayadhayi nijam vapuhu pratigata pravisarya bhujavubau.
Asubireva samam dayati tvayi stanamasau stanitopamanismana nirapatat bhayadayi nijam vapuhu pratigata pravisarya bhuja vubau. Asubireva samam dayati tvayi stanamasau stanitopamanismana nirapatat bhayadayi nijam vapuhu pratigata pravisarya bhuja vubau.
असुभिरेव समं दयति त्वयि स्तनमसौ स्तनितोपमनिस्पना निरपदद्भयदायि निजं वपुः प्रदिगता प्रविसार्य भुजावुभौ असुभिरेव समं दयति त्वयि स्तनमसौ स्तनितोपमनिस्वना निरपदद्भयदायि निजं वपुः प्रदिगता प्रविसार्य भुजावुभौ.
Stanza 9. Bhayada goshana bhishana vigraha shravana darshana mohita vallave brajapade tadurastala khelanam nanubhavantam agrinnata gopikaha. So when she falls with a thunderous noise, Bhayada goshana shravanam, so on hearing a very loud thunderous noise, and also Bhishana Vigraha Darshana, on seeing a very frightful form or a frightful person lying on the floor, Mohita Vallave, so all the Gopikas who were there then came running, and they were really like stunned, or they were really surprised to see this. And Brajapati, the whole of Gokul then comes running there. So the Gopikaha Bhavantam Agrinnat. So the Gopikas then come and then they lift you, right? Lift the Lord. When what the Lord was doing was Nanu Khelanam. The Lord was playing on Tat Udarastalaha, on her chest. The Lord was on her chest, just lying there and playing, and all the Gopikas immediately rushed and came, and then they lifted the child. So the first two lines in this is together, so you can put a plus there if you have two lines. Bhayada Ghoshana Bhishana Vigraha Shravana Darshana Mohita Vallave. Okay, so it's continuous. Brajapade Taduraha nirkum. You can put a is there instead of the visarga. So Brajapade Taduras Sthala Khelanam, comma, Nanubhavantam Agrinnata Gopikaha. Bhayada Goshana Bhishana Vigraha Shravana Darshana Mohita Vallave Brajapade Tadurasthala Khelanam Nanubhavantam Agrinnata Gopikaha.
Bhayada Goshana Bhishana Vigraha Shravana Darshana Mohita Vallave Brajapade Tadurastana Kelanam Stana Kelanam Nanubhavantam Agrihnata Gopikaha. Bhayada Goshana Bhishana Vigraha Shravana Darshana Mohita Vallave Brajapade Tadurastana Kelanam Nanubhavantam Agrihnata Gopikaha.
Kashyap, the Tadurasthala L Nan kekradhanaka. What do you have in your book?
Wait, where?
The Brajapade Tadurasthala.
Oh, I have Tana.
Okay, can you just change it to Sthala?
Yeah.
La, yeah.
Hey, on the last line, Grinhatava, Grihnatava.
Grihnata.
Bhava
Grihnata.
Grihnata.
Half.
The book says Grinhata. Is that why you're asking?
The in is coming
Yeah,
first.
in is coming first.
Grinhata.
Yeah.
Okay, see.
எங்களோடதுல இஹு தான் வருது முதல்ல.
Okay.
Yeah, in my other book they're both together. I'll follow up and get back. Okay.
Yeah, தமிழ்ல எழுதிருக்கிறதுல கிரின்ஹத்தன்னு எழுதிருக்கு.
Okay.
பட் எனக்கு அது சான்ஸ்கிரிட்ல எது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வரும்னு தெரியல. Okay.
There also it's written Grinhata only.
Okay, I'll check on that. Okay, so yeah.
No problem.
Bhayata Goshana Bhishana Vigraha Shravana Darshana Mohita Vallave Vrajapate Tadurastala Kelanam Nanu Bhavantam Agrinata Gopikaha. Bhayata Goshana Bhishana Vigraha Shravana Darshana Mohita Vallave Vrajapade Tadurastala Kelanam Nanu Bhavantam Agrinata Gopikaha.
Stanza 10. Bhuvana Mangala Nama Birevate Yuvatibhir Bahudha Krita Rakshanaha Twamayi Vata Niketananatamam Agadayan Kurutavaka Sevakam. So Bhuvana Mangala. So the one who confers auspiciousness on the entire world, Bhuvana Mangala. Krita Rakshanahatum. So you, O Lord, you are the one who actually confers auspiciousness to everybody. You were protected. Yuvatibih Bahuda, by these gopis in many ways. This was one of the ways, the first time where they protected. But you are the one who confers, but you yourself were protected by these gopis in several ways. Namabi Evabe, by your name alone. So they kept telling your name, right? And then they kept protecting you. So, O Lord of Guruvayur, Vata Niketa Nata, Mam Agadayan. So get rid of all my diseases and all my ailments. And Thavaka Sevakam. And also make me your devotee. So bless me so that I can become your devotee as well. So Bhuvana Mangala Namabi Reva Te, comma, Yuvatibhir Bahuda Krita Rakshanaha Twamayi Vata Niketana Natamam, comma, Agadayan Kuru Tavaka Sevakam. Bhuvana Mangala Nama Birevate Yuvatibhir Bahudha Krita Rakshanaha Twamayi Vata Niketana Natamam Agadayan Kuru Tavaka Sevakam.
Bhuvana Mangala Nama Birevate Yuvatibhir Bahuda Krita Rakshanaha Twamayi Vata Niketananatamam Agadayan Kuruta Tavaka Sevakam. Bhuvana Mangala Nama Birevate Yuvatibhir Bahuda Krita Rakshanaha Twamayi Vata Niketananatamam Agadayan Kurutavaka Sevakam. Sevakam.
Bhuvana Mangala Nama Birevate Yuvadibir Bahuda Krita Rakshanaha Twamayi Vata Niketananatamam Agadayan Gurutavaka Sevakam. Bhuvana Mangala Nama Birevate Yuvadibir Bahuda Krita Rakshanaha Twamayi Vata Niketananatamam Agadayan Gurutavaka Sevakam.
Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Let's finish 40. I think this was a pretty simple chapter, straightforward chapter, right, compared to others. So maybe in the next chapter, let's maybe do a couple of verses and then we can stop, right? So next one was 44. Kashyap, I know you don't have printout. Jayashree, can you just sub for him for the next few stanzas, okay? Because I didn't expect we'll go to 44, so I didn't give him the printout of that.
I'll just listen. Okay.
Oh yeah, you just listen. Okay. So Dashakam 44 is the naming ceremony, right? So what we'll just do, let's see how many stanzas are in this. So 10. Let's just maybe do 2, and then I'll tell the meaning next class, okay? And then we'll just maybe do a couple of stanzas. Gudham vasudeva gira kartum te nishkriyasya samskaran hridgada hora tatvo gargamunihi twadgriham vibho gatavan. So Gudam Vasudeva Gira, comma, Kartum te Nishkriyasya Samskaran Hrid Gata Hora Tattvo Garga Munihi. And is irundunaka for people in Sanskrit, you remove the is and put up Visarga. Garga Munihi, comma, Tvad Griham Vibho Gatavan. Gudham vasudeva gira kartum te nishkriyasya samskaran hridgata hora tatvo gargamunihi twadgriham vibho gatavan.
Gudam vasudeva gira kartum te nishkriyasya.
Vasudeva gira and then comma there.
Oh, sorry. Gudam vasudeva gira kartum te nishkriyasya samskaran ridgata hora tatvo gargamunihi twadgriham vibho gatavan. Gudam vasudeva gira kartum te nishkriyasya samskaran ridgata hora tatvo gargamunihi twadgriham vibho gatavan.
Gudam vasudeva gira kartum te nishkriyasya samskaran hridgadahora tatvo gargamunihi twadgriham vibho gatavan. Gudam vasudeva gira kartum te nishkriyasya samskaran hridgadahora tatvo gargamunihi twadgriham vibho gatavan.
Nandota nanditatma brindishtam manayannamum yaminam mandasmidhagdamuche tvatsamskaran vidatum utsukadihi. So Nandota nanditatma, comma, brindishtam Manayannamum, double N irukku, na irukku, Manayannamum Yaminam Mandasmidardram Uche. That's if you want to split it, it will be Mandasmidardram Uche, comma. But try to say it as Mandasmidardram Uche together, comma. Tvat samskaran vidatum utsukadihi. Vidatum utsukadihi. Nandota nandithatma vrindishtam manayannamum yaminam mandasmidhadramuche tvatsamskaran vidatum utsukadihi.
Nandota nanditatma vrindishtam Manayanmumum yaminam mandasmitadram uche tvatsamskaran vidhatum utsukadihi.
And the Nanditatma, sorry, Jayashree, Nanditatma kapram comma, okay? So stop, pause.
Oh, comma. Oh, sorry.
After Nanditatma.
Okay. Nandota nanditatma vrindishtam manayannamum yaminam mandasmitadam uche tvatsamskaran vidhatum utsukadihi.
The Nanditatma kapram, if you pause, otherwise that's when you'll get that tune properly.
Continue.
Okay?
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay, got it.
Nandotananditatma Brindishtam Manayanamum Yaminam Mandasmidadramuche Tvatsamskaran Vidatum Sugadihi. I have no tune, sorry. I'm not getting it.
Okay, try it again. I'll tell you maybe where you're going off.
Would you mind starting on?
Yeah. Nandotananditatma.
Nandotananditatma Brindishtam Manayannamum Yaminam Mandasmidadramuche Tvatsamskaran Vidatum Utsugadihi.
Correct. Yeah, that's all. In this chapter is little it doesn't fit exactly. So Yadu Vamshacharyatvat Sunibhritamidam Arya Kharyamiti Katayen Gargo Nirgata Pulakaha Chakre Tava Sagrajasya Namani. So Yadu Vamsha Acharya. So Yadu Vamsha Acharya. So Yadu Vamshacharya Twat, comma Suni Britam Idam Arya Karyam iti Katayen. Suni Britam Idam Arya Karyam iti Katayen. Gargo Nirgata Pulakaha. So Pulakaha. And if you have Visarga, or if you don't have, if you have Ish there, then remove the Ish and put a Visarga. So Gargo Nirgata Pulakaha, comma Chakre Tava Sagra Jasya Namani. Yadu Vamshacharyatvat Sunibhritamidam Arya Kharyamiti Katayen Gargo Nirgata Pulakaha Chakre Tava Sagrajasya Namani.
Yadu Vamsha Acharyatvat Sunibhritamidam Arya Karyamiti Katayan Gargo Nirgita Pulakaha Chakre Tava Sagrajasya Namani. Yadu Vamshacharyatvat Sunibhritamidam Arya Karyamiti Katayan Gargo Nirgita Pulakaha Chakre Tava Sagrajasya Namani.
Yadu Vamsha Acharyatvat.
So Janaki, yeah, if you say Yadu Vamsha Acharya, that's Siriya Varada. So you see if you can combine it. Yadu Vamsha Acharya, try to say it like continuous if you can.
Okay. Yadu Vamsha Acharyavat Sunibhritam Idamarya Karyamiti Katayen Gargo Nirgata Pulakaha Chakre Tava Shakrajasya Namani. Last line is not fitting for me, unfortunately.
Chakre Tava Sagrajasya Namani.
Chakre Tava Sakrajasya Namani. Yadu Vamshachari Asha.
Yadu Vamshacharyatvat. Yadu Vamshacharyatvat.
Yadu Vamshacharyatvat Sanibhritam Idamarya.
Sunibhritam.
Okay. Yadu Vamshacharyatvat Sunibhritam Idamarya Karyamiti Katayen Gargo Nirgata Pulakaha Chakre Tava Shakrajasya Namani. I'll practice later. Sorry.
No problem. So stanza 5 is where they name Krishna. So we'll just do stanza 4 and then we can stop. I'll leave that main thing for the next class. Katamasya nama kurve sahasranamno henantanamno va iti nunam gargamunihi chakre tava nama nama rahasi vibho. Katamasya nama kurve, comma sahasra namno henanta namno va iti nunam Gargamunihi, again Visarga, Gargamunihi. If you have ish or something else, remove that. Put a Visarga, Gargamunihi, comma. Chakre tava nama nama rahasi vibho. Katamasya nama kurve sahasranamno hyanantanamno va iti nunam Gargamunihi chakre tava nama nama rahasi vibho.
Katamasya nama kurve sahasranamno hyanantanamno va iti nunam Gargamunihi chakre tava nama nama rahasi vibho. Katamasya nama kurve sahasranamno hyanantanamno va iti nunam Gargamunihi chakre tava nama nama rahasi vibho.
Katamasya nama kurve sahasranamno hinantanamno va iti nunam Gargamunihi chakre tava nama nama rahasi vibho. Katam asya nama kurve sahasranamno hinantanamno va iti nunam Gargamunihi chakre tava nama nama rahasi vibho.
So we'll stop here. Sandhanandhavabodhatmakamanupamitam kaladeshavadebhyam nirmuktam nityamuktam nigamashatasahasrena nirbhasyamanam aspashtam drishtamatre punarurupurushartatmakam brahmatattvam tattavat bhadi sakshat gurupavanapure hanta bhagyam jananam. कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. Okay, everyone. Very good.
Thank you,
Rajesh.
Rajesh. Thank you so much,
Thanks.
Rajesh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very